What are be verbs? This is the fourth lesson that you are going to study about the be verbs. In this video, we are going to use there is and there are in the present tense form. The be verbs remaining the same as I am, he is, you are. So in there is, there are, we only use is and are. There is and there are, both singular and plural forms. Learn be verbs level 4. Learn be verb is specially prepared for beginners who need help to understand the basic usages of be verbs. We use very simple sentences and expressions for you to understand them clearly. This first section contains with 6 lessons, and this is the 4th lesson. Go through them one by one until you are very familiar with each sentence. Ways to use be verbs in the present tense. How to use there is and there are. There is, we use singular forms, and there are, we use plural forms. In this video, we are going to use singular and plural form with there is and there are. Here is the construction. The first lesson is there is singular plus noun, and there are plural plus noun. You can see when we use singular, we use letter A. Example, there is a car. For the plural, we omit the letter A and we add letter S after the noun. There are cars. There is a shop. There are shops. There is a class. There are classes. There is a bank. There are banks. Positive statements, examples with singular forms. There is a car. There is a shop. There is a class. There is a bank. There is a hotel. There is a school. There is a restaurant. Negative statements with singular forms. There is not a car. There is not a shop. There is not a class. There is not a bank. There is not a hotel. There is not a school. There is not a restaurant. Interrogative statements and short answers, examples with singular forms. Is there a car? Yes, there is. Is there a shop? No, there is not. Is there a class? Yes, there is. Is there a bank? No, there is not. Is there a hotel? Yes, there is. Is there a school? No, there is not. Is there a restaurant? Yes, there is. So now we finish singular forms with there is. Let's move to the plural form with there are. Positive statements with plural forms. There are cars. There are shops. There are classes. There are banks. There are hotels. There are schools. There are restaurants. Negative statements with plural forms. There are not cars. There are not shops. There are not classes. There are not banks. There are not hotels. There are not schools. There are not restaurants. Interrogative statements and short answers. This is the exact same way when you are speaking how to answer with these questions. Examples with plural forms. Are there cars? Yes, there are. Are there shops? No, there are not. Are there classes? Yes, there are. Are there banks? No, there are not. Are there hotels? Yes, there are. Are there schools? No, there are not. Are there restaurants? Yes, there are. We hope this is very clear for you in the VVerb series. So we cover 4 lessons in this VVerb series. We have 2 more lessons. Stay with us. Very much for listening, and make sure you like, share and subscribe so you will never miss another video like this. Learn how to learn. Stay with us.